tropical rainforest spread across several regions in the world. A symbol for origin and the new, the forest serves as a home and exists as a living memorabilia for Earth's timeless beauty.
The Amazon is one of the largest forests on Earth with a whopping 2.72 million square mile stretch of land, around the size of 48 contiguous United States. As shown by this graph, Brazil, Peru, and Colombia share the top amount of the Amazon rainforest. In this documentary, let's examine Colombia's flora and fauna in one of its biggest national parks, also known as the Chiribiquete National Park.
In its humid climate, producers and consumers coexist to survive the extremes, such as temperature, climate, and humidity.
Here we look at the poison dart frog, a vibrant yet intimidating hopper. In reality, its true colors are that they are toxic. Maybe they're a huge Britney Spears fan.
The Chiribiquete National Park is located in south-central Colombia and first established as a national park in September 1989. After 2 expansions, the land encapsulated by the park totals to around 4.3 million hectares, and within this land we can find more than 1,000 endemic species.
Endemic species can only be found in one specific geographical land and nowhere else.
And according to our research, it's not only unique in plant and animal species, but for indigenous culture and geography as well.
If we have a closer look here, we can see that the park is covered in these flat and grand mountains. But why do they look like that?
They are called tepuy or tabletop mountains. Common in South America, the word tepuy means house of gods. Tepuys are renowned for their endemic species. Cut off for millions of years, the flora and fauna that lives here has evolved into entirely new species.
We can also analyze these tepuys as the continent's oldest rock formations, making the forest significant for research regarding the origins of the Earth. Not to mention the array of pictograms we could find in this national park, dating to around 20,000 years ago.
As of right now, access inside the forest is restricted because of the difficulty of controlling tourism within the land. In addition, in order to protect the indigenous communities from diseases that risk their existence, access has been limited by the Colombian government.
All hope is not lost. You can take a flight tour all over the forest of Chiribiquete in San Jose de la Juave.
Currently, the park charges $1,995 USD for an hour of flying, but the 5-hour trip is all inclusive. The package comes with breakfast, lunch, snacks, and a tour of Bogota, San Jose, and of course the Chiribiquete forest.
The Chiribiquete prides itself on being the Maloca of the jaguar, or home of the jaguar, and many other species such as the lowland tapir, giant otter, etc. There is balance in the ecosystem through dynamics of each animal and its role in the food web. For example, the jaguar, an apex predator, controls the population of its prey by eating it.
The jaguar and several other animals are currently threatened by none other than humans themselves as demands for products that have the Amazon rainforest as a sacrifice. In the Chiribiquete, the Colombian Amazon has lost 158,894 hectares of land due to deforestation. Without the forest, we would be deprived of 1,801 species of vascular plants, 82 species of mammals, and 30% of Colombia's ecosystems, as they all reside within its lands.
Make our Maloca, our home, into a safe Maloca for the world to conserve and hold forever.